Hello and welcome to day 9 of the motorhome rebuild, and it seems as though yesterday we didn't get a great deal done because we were spending so much time on the electric. So anybody tells you they sorted out the electric lights at the back of a motorhome all by themselves, don't believe them. We also put down a new step down there. This is a Japanese fighting dog, if you're interested to know. She's in charge of security here on site, and here at the back we're going to be doing some work on this today. So they've got the water that comes in there. The water tank is possibly going to go back in. We're going to do a bit more on the isolation on the wall. We've got a chair to go here as well. We're going to start preparing the chair in there. It's not in the colour, it still has to be upholstered and things like that. So I've got this idea. What I'd like to have is the upholstery on the chair at the back, same as the chairs at the front, and maybe some curtains up here as well, all the same colour. That's the idea I've got at the moment. I don't know about the fabric or anything of that nature. So let's get on with it.